What's up, good people? Welcome back to Go and Grow. I am Dr. Miracle Jackson. In this episode, we have a very special gift in the box. Now, the real question is what's in it? I mean, I am at the basketball court, and I am an artist, and I do love creative projects. Shall we take a look? So here we are, right? The grand reveal. Ooh, yeah. All right, so we got this custom basketball, right? Hand painted by me. You already know what's going on. Walking in Miracles Art Company. Go ahead and click that button below. So here's the thing, right? I come out to this court, I shoot my shot, I talk about how basketball is a mindset game, and then it got me thinking, right? Why not customize a basketball? I've never seen anybody do something like this that you see, right? So here's the problem. The problem is we don't have enough creatives thinking outside the box. See, I could paint on a canvas, I could paint on a hat, I could paint on some clothes, I could paint on a car, I could paint on a wall, I can paint on pretty much anything. But I haven't yet painted on a basketball until just now. This looks real nice, right? Real fancy. Craftsmanship is just on 10. But as far as the durability of the ball, can I dribble with it, right? Will the paint last? Yeah, it'll last. And you don't have to worry about somebody having your ball because guess what? I customize it to where it's already yours. I could easily create something like this, or I could do it on a football, or I could do it on really any type of sports ball. But when art meets sports, we get something amazing. It can last. I'm dribbling it on some gravel, right? Because I want y'all to see that even though the ball is fully customized, there's durability to it. Oh, and y'all peep the shoes too? What? Custom by me too? What we doing? What we doing? All right, so I had just got out of this meeting, right? And I was pitching the idea for this ball right here that you see in my hand. And I was like, you know what? What if I created different versions depending on whatever somebody's story is, right? So I'm a 90s baby, so I did some cartoons that I used to watch growing up. Now, keep in mind, look, all that, yeah, there's it's still intact. It's still intact. Let's see if I can shoot a shot with it though. All right, so I ain't warm up, so we just gonna go into it. And ain't nothing wrong with that, okay? All right, let's try this again. All right, cool. Now, I'm not even gonna lie though. This shit fuego. And mind you, this ball was used. All of this right here is still intact. Now, keep in mind, obviously the more that you use the ball, right, it's gonna get scuffed up a little bit. But majority of it you're gonna find is gonna stick. It's gonna stick. All right. So I am Dr. Miracle Jackson. If you're not growing, how are you going through your life? You got to keep going and keep growing. I'll see y'all in the next episode.
And in the meantime, keep going, keep growing, and keep walking in miracles. And of course, take care of yourself. Doctor's orders.